Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to jump portion of the video in VLC Media Player. Let's say you are watching a movie on VLC Media Player. You want to jump a portion of the video. To do that, you can use these keyboard shortcuts. Very short backward jump, Shift plus left key. Very short forward jump, Shift plus right key. Short backward jump, Alt plus left key. Short forward jump, Alt plus right key. Medium backward jump, Ctrl plus left key. Medium forward jump, Ctrl plus right key. Long backward jump, Ctrl plus Alt plus left key. Long forward jump, Ctrl plus Alt plus right key. This is how you can jump portion of the video in VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching.